It's Tubey toys.
Helen, what time is she coming over? Hopefully soon. I'm gonna get Jack to bed though. You guys have a fun game night. He's not feeling too well. Aw, Mom, we're gonna miss ya. It's okay, Mom. We'll have a good time. Maybe next time you can play with us. Sounds good. Say goodbye. Bye, guys. Have fun. I'm gonna put him down for bed now. Bye, guys. Good night. I wonder what game she's bringing. She always brings fun games over. She does. She is super duper. She really is. Oh, that's her now. This game is so much fun. You will love it, darlings. We can't wait. Thanks for coming, Frozone. Well, thanks for having me. Yes, enough talking. Okay, this game is only 2 to 4 players. Okay, darlings. But on second thought, I'm gonna leave the surprises as a surprise. Only I know what they are. Okay, so let's get started. The youngest player goes first. Who would like to go first? Well, I'm the youngest player. Oh, excellent, darling. Where's my little one? Where's my little guy? He's asleep. He doesn't feel well. You know, a prized child like that should always sleep well, even though he doesn't feel well. He should always sleep well. Do you know what I mean, darling? No, I do not. Son, you really should let Frozone go first since he's a guest. Oh, that's right, Dad. You're right. All right, Edna, you need to move this along because it's getting kind of late. Let's learn how to play the game. The object of the game is to not get eaten by the shark, but I will give anyone who gets eaten by the shark a toy surprise. All right, my turn. I hope I get eaten by the shark. I want some toy surprises. I got it. Woohoo! I didn't get eaten. Yes. Violet, your turn. And I'm just gonna roll this die and one fish. Gotta get one fishy. Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Help me, help me, help me. Oh, good, you won. You were eaten by the shark. This doesn't feel great. Help me, please. At least she won toy surprises. Doesn't look very comfortable, though. Help is on the way, honey. Take you out. Oh, no. It's got me. Dad, stop. You gotta push the thing down. Ah! This is not what I expected for game night. Toy surprises for everyone then. Sorry. I didn't think this game would take a bite out of everybody. Oh, good. It released you. Excellent. Gosh. That was crazy. I can't believe that just happened to me. Edna, what kind of toy surprises did we win? I'm getting them, darling. I'll be right back. I'll get all the toy surprises for everybody. I'm so sorry. Well, at least she's sorry about it. I still had fun. Shark Bite's a fun game. Yeah, it's a fun game when you don't have Edna running the show. I heard that, Frozone. I still have to drive you home. Don't forget, you can take the bus. For you, my darling Violet, a new Season 10 Shopkins mini packs. Ooh, exciting. That's for you. I put it in the shark. Oh, thanks, Edna. For you, little Dash, something I know you will enjoy. I'll go get it. A Roblox series fine box. What do you think? Good enough for me. And for you, Frozone, a special gift. And you get a Slither.io Build-A-Slither. Do you like that? Fine with me. I thought you were going to give me some ice cubes. I can, if you'd like. No, that's okay. Excellent. Everybody happy now? Yes, Edna? Good. Now open your surprises. Well, that was super nice of Edna to bring some toy surprises and this awesome game, Shark Bite. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubey Toys. And if you haven't already, ring that notification bell. Every time we post a new video or a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. Let's start opening up these cool toy surprises. Let's start with Frozone's. She gave him a Build-A-Slither 8-piece set. This is Series 1. Build your slithers. These are not built already. Did you check out our video of our longest Slither.io ever? We made one recently. Check it out. I'll put the link at the top of the screen. Let's see which one we got. Oh my gosh, this is our favorite one. It's the American flag one. They have like the cutest little faces and you can mix and match them. This is so cool. How cute is this little guy? Oh my goodness, he's so cute. And I love how he has his stars over here and the stripes. He is so adorable. You could easily take them apart and put them back together again. So awesome. Ooh, let's open up the Roblox for Dash. Dash got a Series 3 Roblox. There's an R. So we got the R and the X. Ooh, who do we get? Looks interesting. Here's the checklist. Ooh, I like these vehicles. These are really, really cool. I've got to start playing Roblox. We got Patient Zero. Awesome. Do you play Roblox? Let me know in the comments below. Here we go. Here's Patient Zero. Very, very, very cool. Next time I open one, I want to get... Ooh, I like the Plaza Club DJ. Or Top Roblox Runway Model. Super cool. You could twist him around too. Put his arms up and down. You could pose these guys. And look at these little joints. Look, he has a bendable knee. That's really awesome. So cool. And last but not least, let's open up Season 10 Shopkins mini packs. I haven't opened up these yet. This is my first time, so I'm super excited to open it. There's one Shopkin inside. That's something new for the blind box. There's only one surprise Shopkin, and it could either be a new one or a re-release of Season 1 through Season 3. Here's our little container, and this is a Country Harvest can of corn. Wow, so there's sweet treats, dairy, homewares, pantry is humongous, fashion, health and beauty, cleaning, fruit and veg, takeout, frozen, bakery, and limited edition. Ooh, let's check out these limited edition ones. So there's Cupcake Queen, Papa Tomato, Marshmallow, Roxy Ring, Rubber Glove, and Brenda Brooch. Okay, here's our can. Definitely didn't get a limited edition. Oh, here we go. And look, there's our medallion on the back. That is so cool. Corny Cub. How cute. Isn't this adorable? Look how cute this little corny cub is. And we have a silver medallion on the back inside of our little can. And you just put the lid back on. You could also put your Shopkin back inside to keep it nice and fresh. Really, really cute. I hope you like all the toy surprises, but I want one for myself. Let me see if there's any in there. Edna, don't put your head in there. It's dangerous. Oh, be quiet. There has to be a surprise in there somewhere for me. Ah! I told you, Edna. Get me out of here! Oh, maybe we should just leave her in there for a little bit. I think it's okay. What, you fools? Are you kidding me? If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubey Toys. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a shark-tastic shark day. Get me out of here. Looks like I'm taking the bus home. That's right.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah.